What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at a crypto exchange that is making waves right now, and for a lot of good reasons, because this exchange offers a lot of unique features that I just don't think other exchanges offer. So before we get into it, don't forget to tap that like button and of course subscribe to the channel if you are new and you are here for the cryptocurrency evolution. Thank you for joining us, and let's get right into it. Most crypto exchanges today force you to jump through 20 hoops just to make a simple trade. Endless KYC checks, clunky internal transfers between spot and futures, and in some cases, slippage that eats your profits alive. So today, we are doing a deep dive into Zoomex, an exchange that's been blowing up lately, specifically because it cuts out all of that friction. We're breaking down what Zoomex actually is, the exact features that separate it from the rest of the market, and whether or not Zoomex deserves a spot in your trading toolkit. And of course, if you stick around for this entire video, I'm going to show you at the end how to claim an exclusive new user welcome rewards using my link down below. Let's jump right in. Right, so before we dive into Zoomex and its features, I just wanted to bring up something that I think is important in the space. So if you are trading crypto, if you're using these exchanges, you might be using all kinds of different crypto exchanges or DEXs, you know, I think it's good to protect yourself on the internet and your privacy, okay? So I am not affiliated with Cloudflare or anything like that. This is just one of the options that I personally think is good to use. It's free to use, but there are also many different VPN options out there. But just to point that out, guys, if you are active in the crypto space, it's probably a good idea to use a VPN anyways. But if you're going to be using Zoomex, then again, like I said, to protect yourself online, you might want to consider using Cloudflare. Again, not affiliated in any way, but it is one that is free to use and I think is a good VPN to use. First, let's dive into all of Zoomex's core features and what separates it from all the other exchanges. So off top, first of all, Zoomex takes a privacy-first approach. You can literally sign up with just an email or a phone number. Now, you are going to want to use my link in the description of this video to sign up to get your exclusive bonuses, but the sign-up process is simple as 1, 2, 3, okay? And then you're trading instantly. You don't have to do KYC. You don't have to do any of these extra steps to get trading. You literally just sign up and start trading. Deposit USDT and start trading. And by depositing USDT using my link, yes, you get a bonus. Sign up process is super simple and easy. All you got to do is literally use Google. You can use Apple. You can even use Telegram to sign up. So all you got to do is just click my link. All you got to do is click my link, and that will take you straight over here. Click sign up. Referral code. Make sure that this referral code is in there, because if it's not, you won't get your bonuses. And then easily sign up using Google, Apple, Telegram, or simply a mobile number or email. You don't have to do anything else to trade or withdraw either. And that is the first major difference in Zoomex. Privacy. Okay, so in an era where every standard exchange is demanding everything from a utility bill to a passport and even face scans potentially before you can look at a chart or trade, Zoomex takes a different approach. No mandatory KYC is required for regular trading and standard crypto withdrawals up to 100 Bitcoin per day. So for traders who value personal data privacy and want to get straight to execution without waiting 3 days for verification, this is a massive green flag. Point number 2 for Zoomex that I think makes it stand out. And this is the big one. Okay, this is probably the coolest feature that I think Zoomex has, other than the 1000x. Okay, we'll talk about that later in the video, so don't go anywhere. But this feature right here is something that I've not seen any other exchange really offer. And that is the hybrid centralized exchange plus decentralized exchange architecture of Zoomex. Okay, so it is a hybrid. You can literally switch seamlessly and effortlessly between a centralized exchange interface and a decentralized exchange interface. So literally is probably the coolest feature Zoomex has, and probably the coolest technical edge that it has on the rest of the market as well, because it is a SEX DEX hybrid platform. So if you want the fast execution speeds, order book depth, and 150x leverage of a centralized exchange, then you simply use the centralized exchange feature, okay, right here. But if you prefer absolute self-custody where you control your own private keys, you can switch to the Zoomex DEX interface seamlessly and effortlessly. All you got to do is connect a wallet such as your Web3 wallet like MetaMask or OKX wallet, and you can start trading on the decentralized exchange. You get the best of both worlds under one roof with Zoomex. Now let's go ahead and jump over here to the actual interface and where you can actually do some analysis here and make a trade on Zoomex. By the way, I love the interface, very user-friendly. And this brings me to my point number 3 for Zoomex that I have found that separates it from the other exchanges on the market. So you have this unified account and professional execution. So we all know about how usability and execution is, okay? If you've ever traded on exchanges where you constantly have to transfer your funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet just to open a trade, we all know how annoying that can be. So what Zoomex has done, they use a unified account system. Your capital sits in one place, instantly ready for spot buying or leverage trading from the same wallet, so you don't ever have to continuously transfer money from one side to the other. Under the hood, order routing runs at sub 10 millisecond latency. Backed by top tier market makers, the order book stays deep, which means tight spreads and minimal slippage even during high volatility moves. Now, let's go over to point number 4, which I'm going to talk about is the copy trading and rewards. So if you're not looking to trade manually 24/7, Zoomex has a fully integrated copy trading ecosystem. You can browse top traders and choose from which ones you want to trade. So you have different options here, right? You've got USDT perpetual, inverse perpetual, grid trading. We're going to talk about the 1000x futures here in just a minute. This is actually a really cool feature too that I like about Zoomex. But then you have copy trading. You have a couple of new things down here as well. AI agents to start your automated trading on Zoomex. But the copy trading feature right here. So you can go here, choose between top traders and audit their win rate, profit share, and drawdown metrics, and allocate capital to automatically mirror their positions in real time. So for active traders, their reward hub and global trading competitions regularly give back deposit bonuses, fee discounts, and prize pools. So I do want to just point this out really quickly, guys. Up here in the corner, you can see it says unlock 1000x. So if you click on this, this is a really cool feature from Zoomex, by the way. All right, so look, you can actually unlock up to 1000x futures trading here by just dragging this little lever over all the way to 1000x. It tells you your liquidation price. You simply put in how much money you're going to put in, and you simply click on long or short right here. Okay, so obviously this is very risky. Okay, this is very risky. Don't get it twisted. It's very risky. But you can see how this could be also. I'm not gonna say it on this video, but I'm just gonna say I might talk about it on a live stream sometime. But I think this is a cool feature. If you want to check it out yourself, then use my link in the description so you get your trading bonus and execute. Use that trading bonus if you want before using your own money, right? Get you a trading bonus right now and come on over and drop it on 1000x Bitcoin trade. I'm not financial advice, you know what I'm saying? But having the option to use 1000x, just having that option, even if you just wanted to play with it, I'm not suggesting that at all. I'm just saying that somebody might want to do that. I think is very cool. I think it's a very cool feature for an exchange to offer this. Let me know what you guys think about this. Is this something that you guys would be interested in? Is this something that you guys would actually engage in and participate in and use on an exchange, right? And if it is, don't forget to check out Zoomex. Use the link in the description and sign up today. I have partnered with them guys to get you guys an exclusive bonus package. Links and details in the description. And if you want to test out the platform, make sure to use my official partner link to sign up. And I'll leave that in the pinned comment of this video as well. Thank you guys again for watching. I do hope that you guys have an amazing journey in the crypto space. It is brutal, and it can lift you up and it can take you down all in the same month, all in the same day, all in the same year. But what I do know is if you don't give up and you keep on building and building and getting better, then the space does reward your patience and your dedication and your consistency. It will. Thank you guys again for watching the video. I hope that you guys try out Zoomex today. Again, trading is very risky. Trade at your own risk. And this has not been any type of financial advice or advice to invest, trade any type of digital currency, as it is extremely risky and I'm not a financial advisor. So with that being said, be careful and have a good one.